Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well today. In this video, I want to test something interesting. Can you really learn a language on Preply? And what about learning with AI tutor versus human tutors? Which one is better? Let's find out together. Before we start, don't forget to check the description below. I put some useful links and a latest information there about Preply and language learning tools. Okay, so first, Preply is a platform where you can find a real human tutor who teaches you languages online. You talk with them, practice speaking, get feedback and learn in natural way. Now there are also new AI tutors or chatbot, which is artificial intelligence to help you practice languages. They don't get tired and are available in 24/7. Sounds good, right? So I tried both methods. On Preply, we spoke, practiced grammar, pronunciation and real conversation. The tutor gave me personal advice and corrected my mistakes. Then I tried AI tutors. They can chat with me anytime, answer simple question and help me practice vocabulary like this.
Hey, I'm Gliglish. Let's practice your English.
But they cannot understand all my mistakes like a human can. Sometimes the AI gives wrong answer or cannot explain complicated grammar. The big difference is the personal touch. Human tutor understands your problem and can change the lesson based on what you need. AI tutor are good for quick practice or when you don't have time for real lesson. But if you want to speak well and improve fast, human tutors are better. But AI tutor can help you practice between lessons. So can you really learn a language on Preply? Yes, but remember, the tutor's quality matters. A good tutor can help you a lot. AI tutors are a nice help, but not a full replacement of human teachers, at least not yet. Check the description below for links to Preply and some popular AI language tools. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. I will bring more videos like this. So see you in the next time.